Standard 10th. Subject Maths 1. Lesson number 4, Financial Planning.
Hello students, today we are going to learn financial planning. Now in financial planning, we are going to see the first part, that is GST introduction. In GST introduction, GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. Second, all types of taxes are incorporated under GST. Now incorporated under GST means previously whatever tax was levied in India, that is excise duty, entertainment tax, etc., that has come under one head, that is GST. Third, GST is in effect from 1st July 2017. So GST in India came in the effect from 1st of July 2017. Next is tax invoice. Tax invoice means what? Now whenever you go to the shop or to the retailer to purchase the goods, they give you a bill. So in that all taxes are mentioned. So that is called as tax invoice. In tax invoice, first is CGST. CGST stands for Central Goods and Service Tax. This is to be paid to the central government. So GST is divided into two parts, that is 50% goes to CGST and 50% goes to SGST. Now 50% that is goes to the central government, that is it's called as Central Goods and Service Tax. Second is SGST, where SGST stands for State Goods and Service Tax. This is to be paid to the state government. So 50% GST will go to the state government and 50% will go to the central government. Third is GSTIN. GSTIN stands for Goods and Service Tax Identification Number. Now GSTIN is what? All the dealers are being registered under one head, that is GSTIN. GSTIN is mandatory for the dealer whose annual turnover in previous financial year exceed rupees 20 lakhs. Now GSTIN has 15 alphanumeric number. This we are going to see here. So the first two-digit number, 2 digits for the state code. Now 27 belongs to Maharashtra state. So all the states, there are 29 states in our country, India. So they have different state codes. So our Maharashtra state code is 27. Here we have 10-digit pen of business company. So next 10-digit alphanumeric number will be of that pen of business company. Now here we have 1. 1 stands for represent one registration. Now here it is 1, that means that company has only one registration. If it is 2, then that company has opened 2 accounts under that one particular GST, that is 2 registration is there. If 3 is there, then 3 registration. Next is Z. Now Z means uniform for all. Z will be constant, that it will be remain same for all. Now the last digit is what? 5. Now this 5 confirmed by the GST portal. This may change. This may change as you keep registration. So 5 may keep on changing. Okay, they will provide you with new numbers. Now the last one is HSN code. HSN code stands for Harmonized System of Nomenclature. Now all goods are classified by giving numerical codes. Now for example, if you are going to DMart to purchase any goods, so in that invoice you will see that your goods are being numbered. They are given a numerical name. For example, chocolates are given a numerical name 1, or for butter it is given as 2, so it becomes very easy to classify. So all goods are classified by giving numerical codes. Now students, we will see some formulas in GST. Now in GST we have a formulas to go through, that is CGST is equal to SGST equal to half of GST. That means both CGST and SGST is half of what? GST. Now this if you are under state government, then your tax will be divided into central government and state government. Next is CGST is equal to UTGST is equal to half GST. Now UTGST means what? Union territories. Union territory goods and service tax. If you are staying in any union territories, then your tax will be divided into CGST and UTGST. So UTGST does not fall under any state government, so they have their own union territory governments. Now we'll see the next one. GST payable is the difference between output tax and input tax. So GST is calculated by how? We'll be using the formula GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. Now what is output tax? Output tax is the tax collected at the time of sale. So when the retailer is selling to the customer or the manufacturer is selling to the wholesaler, that is what output tax is charged. Input tax paid at the time of purchase. So while purchasing the goods, we have to pay the input tax. Let us take one example. For example, Rahul purchased chocolates and paid GST of rupees 3,500. He sold those chocolates to Raj and collected GST of rupees 4,000. Now he sold those chocolates to Raj and collected. So here the word is given sold. Sold for how much? 4,000. So the tax collected at the time of sale is called as output tax. So 4,000 is your output tax at the time of sale. And at the time of purchase, it is how much? 3,500. So GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. Now input tax is also similar to your ITC, that is input tax credit. Input tax credit. Output tax is 4,000 minus input tax is 3,500. So 4,000 minus 3,500 is how much? 500. So how much GST is paid? 500 GST is paid. Okay students, I hope you understood this GST calculation.
Thank you.